Hello everyone, today's topic is delete request in Postman. So let's get started. This is the API with which we are working. Let me open the Postman tool as well. So for delete method to work, we need to first have our record present on the server already. So if we'll take a look at this reqres.in, this delete method, what they have mentioned. So they are telling that this is the endpoint. So whatever is the base URL, and here if you can understand from the endpoint, it is saying users and it is mentioning the second user. So let's say we want to delete this particular user. So let me click on this and I'll copy this. I'll go to my Postman. Here I'll create a new request. So click on this, click on add request, and let me write the name as delete request. Okay. Now here you click on this drop down and you select delete here and you mention the endpoint. Okay. Now whenever you are using delete request, you need to use the endpoint which is pointing to a particular record, so that it will understand, okay, this is the particular record which we are trying to delete. Okay. So there's it will depend, like if sometimes you need to pass query parameters, some authorizations. It will depend on case of different APIs, but in this particular API this is a very simple fake API. So there's it's not set up in that way that you have authorizations and all those things present here. So if I'll just click on send here, what exactly is going to happen, this endpoint is going to be connected and then the server is going to understand that there's a delete request. So this particular record in the server is going to get deleted and you are going to get a response like 204 no content. Since this API is not configured in that way so that we can validate if the deletion already happened, but in case of real APIs, if you have deleted a particular record, you can change the method to get and see that you are not getting a proper response because that particular record does not exist. So that's how delete method is used in Postman. That sums up the video. Let me know for any feedback. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye bye.